We have a number of different highlights for the ESMO Asia Congress 2023. We have an excellent scientific program which we're putting together, and we expect to have many major scientific data sets being presented with key impact in the area. Also, we've put together a superb educational program consisting of a number of different program tracks for disease areas. In each track, we'll have a topic of controversy, which we'll be diving deep into, and also an education topic, really to bring us all up to the highest standards that our patients demand that we have. And finally, we'll have the ability to network with colleagues in a Challenge Our Expert session, a roundtable format where we'll be able to interact with experts in a particular disease area. Finally, we'll be diving into the Asian modified guidelines for how we should treat cancer. And this will be a real opportunity to make sure that we deliver the best care that we possibly can.